cool thing about Quora is that you can give a lot of value, and then you can include affiliate links. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can use Quora for affiliate marketing. All right, so Quora is a program, or essentially an online software where people go on there to ask questions, okay? So they can have any question in the world. I mean, literally any question in the world. And people like me and people like you would go out there and answer those questions. Now, the cool thing about Quora is that you can give a lot of value, and then you can include affiliate links. Now, I will say before we get deep into this that you do not want to spam Quora. The game here is not to spam affiliate links and your links. The game here is to give a lot of value and then sprinkle in your links throughout the value that you're giving, okay? So you can sign up for Quora. It's completely free, and this is a really cool way to actually start with affiliate marketing, because the thing is you can literally answer questions and thousands of people will see your answer over time. For example, the last time I posted on Quora was in 2018. I'm not that active because I'm doing other things, but you can see the last 30 days I've had 633 views, right? And that's not me doing anything. That's just me for my past answers, right? All time I have 7,580 views on my answers, okay? So it's a lot. It's a lot. It just keeps going over time. Obviously it's 147 in the last 7 days is not that a lot, but it's compounding, right? If you keep making answers to people's questions, or producing answers to people's questions, you are going to get more views over time, and that's just the name of the game. So it's a compounding game, but it's really cool because you can download the app on your phone and then just answer questions while you're commuting, or while you're on your way to class or whatever. You can answer like 5 at a time, 5 a day, right? And then it just keeps compounding. You do 5 a day. That's a lot of answers. And then what I like to do, this is the tip that you guys can use, is I like to get my affiliate links inside of my notepad on my phone. Therefore, like when I'm answering a question, I can just quickly go to my notepad, grab the link, boom, and paste it inside the answer while I'm answering, okay? So what I do is I just have a basic introduction of who I am. This is an affiliate link to ClickFunnels, so when they click on this link, it directs them to ClickFunnels. So if they click on this, then they get cookied, right? And then I just keep explaining like who I am, what I do, and then at the bottom I do a little social thing where check out my blog. I could probably say something like check out my Instagram like I do on my YouTube, and then check out this free course. This is Greg Jeffrey's course that I'm promoting here. That's my affiliate link. So you can kind of copy this model. It's very, very simple, but people will go to your page as you're answering questions, okay? So I have 149 followers. I have no idea who these people are. People are going to go to your profile. They're going to look at you, what you're about, why should you be seen as the authority, right? Why are you the authority figure? And they will then, click on your links, etc. So let's actually just take a look at how this works. So this is a question that someone asked, right? And it says, affiliate marketers, what would you say is acceptable, open, and click the rate in an email before you decide to write new copy, right? And I just said I would say 10%, right? And this is very short. Like, this has no affiliate link. This is not, a really value-packed answer, but I like to sprinkle in short answers with long answers. So for example, this next question is, what is the best way to start making money online with affiliate marketing, right? And then also, one thing before I go into this, so you can see my pre-headers here, my header, right? Jelani Abdul Salam, digital marketer, lover of knowledge, student of the world. So what you can do here is you can actually probably put your blog here, right? You can probably put your Instagram here, or like your website, whatever the case may be. Therefore, when someone sees their answer, it'll say Jelani Abdul Salam at Jelani the Marketer, JelaniTheMarketer.com, etc., right? And that gives you another call to action for people to go and click through. And it's something that I should definitely be doing, but that's just something that you should be doing as well. All right, so this question is, what is the best way to make money online? So this is kind of more in-depth answer, right? Like, I have an image here, which is a great way to separate yourself from the other people who are not including images. So if you have some time, if you're on your desktop, you can go to Pixabay, go to Google, just find some images that will look nice and appealing inside of the copy. But I this is kind of short, right? I say, I give them some value, right? I would say ClickFunnels, then I give them a training, and then I give them another image to kind of separate this copy from the next copy introduction that's coming in, and I give them some more value. Like, you can use SEO. You can go check out Greg's free training, which talks all about SEO, right? So getting people to click on these links, and I got 163 views, and as time goes on, people are still going to see this. So the cool thing about Quora is it actually shows answers from like 2016 or 2017. It doesn't just show 2019 answers, right? Like, so the first answer here it's the top answer, one of the top answers for this question, it was answered in 2017, right? And it's still getting hits, right? And this is very value packed answer. This is something that you want to take note of. You want to make sure you're giving value. Like I said, you don't want to be just sprinkling or just hammering Quora with your affiliate links, because their moderation team is going to say, hey, this person's a spammer, let's ban them. We don't want them on our platform because they're not giving value. You have to give value. That's the name of the game. But it's really cool because you can just answer. It's like a mini blog almost, where you can just answer people's questions, put your little links in there, put some images, and boom, right? So this person gave a lot of value here, and this is probably why they're the top answer. Because of all the value. They're separating their copy with images. They're giving some visuals, right? And really including links, going to blogs, going to affiliate links, right? And these are probably all affiliate links. Actually, they're not affiliate links. But this is a blog link, right? And this one has 4.3K views. Okay, so as you can see, like it doesn't matter the time frame that you answer the question. It's more about the value that you're providing the person. And if people start upvoting it, right? People are upvoting this answer, it's going to get put to the top. So this one has 25 upvotes and it has 4.3K views. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.